Are you looking to set up Skool for online courses? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it quickly and effectively, while also sharing some insights on what Skool offers and what might be missing for your needs. Stick around to the end, because we'll reveal the best alternatives that might be a better fit for your online course goals, and you don't want to miss an exclusive free trial through our link. First thing, let's talk about signing up. Skool makes it easy to get started by offering a simple sign-up process. Just create an account and you're ready to jump in. The platform is designed to be intuitive, so even if you're new to creating courses online, you won't get lost in complicated setups. Next thing you'll want to do is set up your course. Skool allows you to easily create a course by just clicking on the Create Course button. Here, you'll add the name, description, and a cover image that best represents your content. Skool does give you some customization options, but it's a little basic in terms of design compared to other platforms like Teachable or Thinkific. So if you're looking for a more polished look with robust design customization, Skool might not offer all the bells and whistles. Next up is adding your content. Skool allows you to upload videos, lessons, and content directly into your course, but it's important to know that the platform is more community focused. This means, while you can upload and organize your materials, the interaction with your students is a major selling point. You have built-in forums where students can interact with each other, ask questions, and engage in discussions. However, if you're looking for advanced features like quizzes or certifications, you might find Skool a little limited here too. The next thing we need to talk about is managing your students. Skool gives you an easy-to-use dashboard to track student progress and engage with them. You can send direct messages, and the community space allows for a lot of interaction. But again, if you're looking for detailed analytics or drip content features, other platforms like Kajabi might give you more control. Skool is more about creating a social, community-driven experience, so if that's the goal, you're on the right track. The fourth thing is Skool's pricing model. It's competitive, but there's a catch. While the base features are affordable, you'll need to upgrade for more advanced options. When comparing it to competitors like Podia, which offers similar pricing, Skool might feel a bit less feature-rich in areas like customization and marketing tools. For those focused primarily on content creation and community engagement, Skool works, but others might give you more flexibility in running your business. Now, the big question, is Skool the right choice for your online course platform? If your goal is to create a community-first experience with simple course creation, then yes, it's a solid pick. But if you're looking for more advanced marketing features, detailed analytics, or customizable design options, you might want to consider alternatives like Teachable, Thinkific, or Podia. Before we wrap up, let's talk about that exclusive offer. I've got a special link for you to get an extended free trial of Skool. But I'm also going to show you some fantastic alternatives that offer free trials too, and may suit your goals better for creating and growing online courses. Click the link in the description to get the best free trial deal and exclusive benefits available only through this video.